On the 3rd of April, na Fiada and the better month, so say a police for Prophet William Gyimah. Nebusia Prophet William Gyimah, yes, of Penia, no, and that Elohim prayer ministry. Ano Nebusia a better month, so a police for the son of Wankasa. It's one more, and then a command police for no, na a Benada on the 7th of April. It's not a kind of invitation. And our Prophet William Gyimah all 9 we actually know na akwa ye arrest ya omo de ko pie mu e wo Adenta Circuit Court on the 8th of April na ye eda wukoda abusu omo ko pie mu wo Adenta Circuit Court too much ye de eche ko pie mu wo ko hwe na court na ho ana wo mo de charges mienu e ko ball na ba ko eye causing fear and panic and ba ko so eye false information ya wo mo de ball na wo bisa Prophet William Gyimah say sa charges mienu ya wo mo de abono no wodi hu for anase wodi ho bi ho na wo kire se da bi charges om de abono ne de ade a wodi ho bi se busia ne lawyer present ka wo be ma ne bill na so busia oye ya amaka ama bill no wo mantimi amfa ma Prophet William Gyimah ama judge a wo tena dwom kire se wasan atu asam no ahyeda o de asam no ehye 13th April na eyeda joda etebusia wasan remand Prophet William Gyimah ewo police custody ma police for esan ede ni kosie nti eda joda ya eye 13th April no and wo sign a call asem no busia and also too much GH ekopie mu ewo ho abe Prophet William Gyimah wo mo etimi amane bill na ekopie mu ewo Adenta Circuit Court na ba wo mo mane bill no wo mo de 200,000 Ghana cedis na etu ni tire so afei wo mo se wo mo pay 2 sureties ya landed property no na wo mo demand na after se bill no e ba ye no ye ne the council no so assign edi nkomo bisa na se sabe de wenya bill no e de ama the client na wo pay bill no e de ama na fei bill ya be echi no e de mbiem e na wo de anamo e na wo mu ebetu na no so echi mu say e de trade too much GH
so pacho mo akwaba council na sign back court bi na pacho na saying na a court is ikoye
court no aji ya de sere na tunu aba also for Gyimah bill to the sum of 200,000 then justify with landed property with 2 sureties to be justified by landed property. And he said, I will see in ya a Japadi and it was 200,000. Now, I dance I can't say sureties.
That's for me.
Agency, no sign bill in the month. Now, copy in a 1st July. Now, I'm back to court. Now, I'm
okay, so coffee no better back court this is 1st July. So meet bill conditions now. Okay. So 1st July no then and court in the barbershop.
1st July yeah, a case management conference. And a court in the
okay. Council Patrick, that's it.
Any council more kwaba. Papa and them be people reports. And then some see court.
And then you be people report and rather and police for 2 was afraid Prophet Gyimah.
Okay.
Say Omna no money.
Okay.
Say Enra, you need to be more the special investigations unit of the Ghana Police Service.
Okay.
Or more preparing or more they could do a bond. And no money bill. Okay. And say, saying I was there about courts. Court not determine the conditions. We became more court. What they could do in the board. 2 charges. One, the publication of false news with the intent to cause money. Then false communication. It's a local charge in the board here. Yes, the court no say on money bill. Initially, court no ASN or money for 2 weeks. And yes, the court now they are decided to court in the court no was magnanimous to us. One man is saying, I'm on the 13th of April. Okay. Now, you have the determination of the bail conditions in the house. I'm Monday, 13, 5 days later, the number court. You are remanded into police custody to reappear on the 13th.
So, possibility set 13th, no profits for being able to hire and I say,
okay, the demeanor of the court now, likely say, Namia 13th, court no ABT Amani bill.
Okay. Only for what say and some prophets can you move to the Abonu negotiation and some nay and somewhat the mood dua. Banner so when you go now punishment in the Swana.
A decent. Okay. And divinity no a police force there so one a more day as other 2 courts no only dey munchi more and say more than say eba na court regional so as a court no so ka say dance a police for the eba no so mutimi the ba e kire o ma say mu ma ne to court no so na say court ne ka say odi for Prophet Gyimah so no ono so no NBA ni defense and answer ono so emu ni kru a ono so kru ne na dance we eba na court regional so dey be do assembly no na the video say quite do the abandon publication of false news no. So we used to say electronic communications there now. They don't know a second degree felony offense. Okay, quite do because a mood kakra a Chinese demeanor, a women Chinese demeanor. But me assure say all court them out the judge no a kaya will be sacked police for me say na a decent no more than some would be cool decent idea. Na ya says there also na some partner court no inside police for. And yes, that I say a bra court mediation, you have a court in the now the police for not so a minded some better as in this format. The one so nobody but you and me the do also questions in your see pisa, you do so as so you may have a media say a brand for now yeah the charge the Prophet Gyimah. Okay, but the council they also open to me a man and papa Prophet Gyimah say me better mountains so say in somewhere so our media no see a man for car. Omo chese ka me say your friend o say won bra fe ku wie na kwa ye arrest obetimi aka say wo mu fa sa kwa we so dictate Prophet fan wo dey so in we na say omo nam chire so e dey kan so fo bi ka sa hye wo mu because say you na kwa e fa so e bia okay said you constitution guarantee in free speech but free speech you know you must also respect the rights of others and you know the kasa o kan ye no court no isi jina yi a ye be chire say you and I say the okay, you bet you, but me as my many, you know, you pay a Gyimah same for Sabri, may have to see the charging area or I send any money, so be free moment, minor baby, send me a okay, you know, and you be and I said, you go for me any woman, you be trading the chain.
Council ya da sepa.
No so that's it.
Entabusi asa break the way ene ne akoso ewo Prophet William Gyimah ne try ye tre no ene ne ensam no akwabodwe bi se on the 1st of July no ena wo besan akwakopie mu ewo court asa break dem kopie mu court asa asanie no ena wo ebe hya ase edi ne no de Prophet William Gyimah be fifie ena akwakopie mu ewo court so ye ne di ensam na chi se ne beto form ewo asem bia ne ma waso emu wo e besan ba near the whole updates no abro message so beja comments comment section ho e dey amami all the social media handles no too much gh all subscriber like no watch na for so ni bi ahwe makra